like a 90s music video when they like, it's all about the Benjamins, baby. You remember on Scary Movie when they had the basketball and like, doo, 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 doo.
Hi guys. I know I've been gone for a very, very long time. Today's video is going to be extremely different. We're in my front room. I've been gone for about 3 months, I think. And the last post that I posted was in July after BeautyCon event. So after the BeautyCon event, I was only in LA for about 2 weeks. I was like extremely fresh to the area. So now it's been about 2 months since I've been living in this area. I think it's been 2 months. Or 3 months. 3, okay, Ray says 3. So 3 months. I'm gonna do instead of doing like an actual tutorial or something today, it's gonna be more of a vlog. And why I've been gone for so long. And I'm going to the Beyonce concert. And that means you guys are coming. You guys are coming too. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Devin. This is Raymond. This is Midnight.
No, this is Amethyst.
Oh, it's Amethyst. Okay, this is a girl. This is Amethyst. This is our new kitty. And Midnight's over there. He's a black cat too. But D7 is the username. I can't talk. D7 is the username. Devin is my name. So yeah, I've been gone for about 3 months off of social media because after the BeautyCon event, it wasn't like overwhelming or anything. It was like really inspiring, but at the same time, I felt like I needed to. Really?
He's like, I don't want to be in this shit.
I felt like I needed to take a break so I could like, well, we just moved. So when I first got here, we really wasn't like working the way I wanted us to be working. Like money wasn't like the best. So I was like, let me get some financial stability first before I get back into like doing makeup and like putting more time into YouTube and social media. I was like, let me get everything together mentally. Oh, well, okay, well, let's go because it's time to get in our Uber and go to Pasadena. Oh, okay, it's not time yet. Ray! So, yeah, I was just like, let me get everything together. Also, during like breaks like this, I feel like I really get a chance to like remember why I'm doing this, doing what I'm doing and like what's the motive, what's the goal, and all that good jazz. And I also get to like, when I take breaks, I get to reinvent myself again, which is like freaking awesome. I love doing that. So of course you guys will be getting, oh, I forgot. I'm sure you guys saw the new picture that's posted already.
All right, time to go for that.
Oh, it's time to go. All right, so I'm gonna explain the rest on the way to the Beyonce concert.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, we're at the Rose Bowl and we're like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 hours early. I can't count. So, yes we are because it don't start until 7:30. We here at 3:30.
Well, yeah.
Beyonce don't come out till 7:30, so we here 4 hours early, y'all. We here early as shit. And it's so hot. It's really hot. The lighting probably looks really bad unless I turn this way. Hey y'all. So yeah, I think I'm really gonna tell y'all more about like why I've been gone from social media when I get home, because I feel like, well, I'll probably have enough time to tell y'all since I have 4 hours. But yeah, I just been gone for a while because I was really just trying to get back on my feet since we had just moved to what, Ray?
It's open. We need to see if we. You have to go to a real call.
Let's see.
Okay.
Sorry guys. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I was financially situated before I came back and level-headed as well and all that good jazz. But I think I'm ready for the most part to come back to social media and give you guys all I've got. So yeah. Oh my God. It's so hot. All right guys, let me figure this ticket situation out and I'll be back.
Beyonce or bust, bitches! 'Beyonce or bust! 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 'Beyonce
I'm tired. I am fucking tired.
He's out of breath, y'all, because he don't go to the gym.
I don't. I need to start going to the gym. My makeup look good. I don't think I can flip my camera. Everybody, the Beyonce. Well, I'm gonna stop saying that. The Carter.
I can do anything.
Stop.
Yeah.
The Carter concert was awesome sauce. It was extremely inspiring, and I feel amazing after the concert. It was really, really, really good. It was like it was a full house. Like I'm sure like every seat was packed. Like somebody was sitting in every seat. But yeah, I know I've been gone for a while. Yeah, I've been taking a break, like a break, sis. But I don't know. I just feel like it's normal for us, like as influencers or as YouTubers or as content creators, to take breaks to give our mental like a reset. Let us come back and get things together. Real life happens, things happens, and in order for us to be our best selves, to give the best content, I just feel like we need to be able to regroup. Oh, and by the way, I live in Koreatown, so I'm walking back from the subway all the way to my house, which is still definitely like a part of LA. But yeah, everything's like Korean here, and I love it here. Everything is awesome here, especially the food. Oh my God, Korean food is absolutely amazing. I'm vegetarian, by the way, but I still love me some Korean food. And they do have a lot of like vegetarian or vegan friendly options for the most part. Yeah. But I just wanted to let you guys know, if I can do it, you can do it. You can do anything. I can do anything. But anyways, thank you guys so much for still supporting me after taking such a long break. Good night. Over and out.